All right, so I've been driving my Jeep last few weeks and I've been hearing this chirping noise, like a bird chirping. It only happens whenever I go over like small bumps, not big bumps, not a smooth road. And it was driving me insane. So I thought, it might have been something back here making the noise, and I moved everything around. That didn't seem to fix it. And I happened to notice it one day when I shut my tailgate, and when it closed, I heard the chirp noise. So I'm going to show you how I fixed it. It's super easy, super quick. Now, over here you got the latch, and I'm not sure what this does, just maybe extra support to keep it up when it closes. But what we're going to do is we're going to readjust this a little bit and that to get a little more tension. And what you're going to need is a 10 millimeter socket for down here, and one of these, I'm not sure what they're called, but it came in one of these Jeep kits for like taking the roof off and stuff. So we'll go ahead and start with the top one. So all we want to do is just loosen this up. Don't screw it all the way, just loosen it. It'll slide. So once you get that loose, see how it kind of slides around. Now what you can do, let me get the camera on the Jeep and we'll come back to it. All right, now what you can do, just kind of push it back. Or what I did is I pushed it back and up just a little bit from where it was, and just tighten them down. That's all you got to do. Same thing if like your doors are making noises. These are all on every door. You can readjust them as well. And go ahead and snug them up. I don't think it cranked down on them, but just snug them up. So that was part one. Now that might just fix it right there. I went ahead and did both just because I want to see which one would fix it, or just go ahead and knock them both out. Same thing down here. See how this thing kind of moves around? So this one, I'm going to push it more up. Maybe not back so far, but just kind of find your sweet spot. I mean, it takes like, 15 seconds to adjust these. And that's it. Snug them up. And now that got rid of my chirp. Hopefully that'll help you guys out. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys later.